Take care of your skin from the inside with functional foods and fruits. Skin care from the inside can be achieved through the use of functional foods and fruits. Functional foods are those that contain specific health-promoting compounds, such as antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Fruits are naturally rich in many of these compounds, and can be eaten raw, juiced, or added to smoothies and other recipes. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables can help provide your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs to keep your skin healthy. Additionally, consuming foods that are high in antioxidants, such as blueberries, strawberries, and dark chocolate, can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Eating foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, can also help keep skin hydrated and healthy. Eating a variety of healthy, nutrient-rich foods can help your skin look and feel its best. Additionally, drinking plenty of water can help keep your skin hydrated and looking its best. Taking care of your skin from the inside out with functional foods and fruits can help you achieve a glowing complexion. Taking care of your skin involves more than just applying topical treatments. The foods you eat can also have a significant impact on the health and appearance of your skin. Functional foods and fruits, in particular, are known for their ability to nourish the skin from the inside out. One functional food that is particularly beneficial for the skin is salmon. Salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy skin. Omega-3s help to reduce inflammation, which can contribute to acne and other skin disorders. They also help to keep the skin hydrated, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Another functional food that can help to improve the health of your skin is green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the aging process. By drinking green tea regularly, you can help to prevent the formation of wrinkles and other signs of aging. In addition to functional foods, fruits can also be beneficial for the skin. One fruit that is particularly good for the skin is the avocado. Avocados are high in healthy fats, which help to keep the skin moisturized and supple. They also contain vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps to prevent damage to the skin. Another fruit that is great for the skin is the blueberry. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which help to protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and other environmental stressors. They also contain vitamin C, which is important for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that keeps the skin firm and elastic, and by consuming foods high in vitamin C, you can help to maintain healthy levels of collagen in the skin. Tomatoes are another fruit that can be beneficial for the skin. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from sun damage. Sun damage can cause wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging, so by consuming tomatoes regularly, you can help to keep your skin looking youthful and healthy. When it comes to skin care from the inside out, it's important to eat a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of functional foods and fruits. By consuming foods that are high in omega-3s, antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins, you can help to nourish your skin